Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to change the shape of the taskbar in any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Windows taskbar. So you can see the shape of the respective Windows taskbar. That is the default shape, right? So how you can change the shape of this taskbar? So for this, just open any web browser and in the Google search, just search for one application name as Rounded TV, and on the first list you will see its official website or the developer website. Just click on it. So you can see its official website, so you can read the instructions and some screenshots also available for you if you want to read. So I'm not going to show you what's it's being written or in the description. So you can see here on the right side releases, just click on it. Just scroll down below. Now you can see just below the assets, you can see here one zip file, right? Just click on it to download this zip file. So just start downloading, wait for a few seconds. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded. So since it's a zip file, just double click it to extract the file. So now you can see a folder with the name Rounded TV. Just open it. Now just scroll down below. Now here you can see roundedtv.exe, right? So just double click it to start it. So you can see on the below menu tray, the one icon named as Rounded TV is being running right now. So you can close this now. So just put your mouse cursor on the icon that you can see here. Just right click on it. Now you can see here show Rounded TV. Just click on it. Now it will show the options to customize. So you can see here below advanced, right? So just click on advanced. Now you can see a complete setting options. So suppose say I want to make it a smaller size, since you can see it's taking the full screen, right? So I want to make it a short size. Then what you can do, you can see your margin, you can just change the margin layout, and you can see here, you can preview it before applying it. So you can see here this is a margin. So if you want to decrease the corner of the radius, then you can see here. So you can see you can make it as a rounded corner if you want to have a rounded corner. So there are more options on the right side. You can see top margin, bottom margin, left margin and right margin. So right now you can put any value, right? So that now to enable these options, what you need to do, you can see your blue like box, right? Just click on it. Now it will disable the margin, right? Now you can see on the right side is being enabled. So now you can put a value. Say let me put a value. Say I want to put a value here like 4. You can put any value as you like. So I'll just put a value here. So say I will just increase this up to the value 7. Now after putting all the settings, you can click on apply, right? Now you can see the shape of the taskbar has become rounded on the corners, and even you can see the bottom one has slightly moved up. Looks like a floating taskbar, right? So still you want to decrease more of this length, right? So you can choose this dynamic mode and you can just apply. So you can see here the tray menu is being hidden. So if you close this, so you can see here the taskbar has been shortened. So now if you want to access the applications again, I would highly recommend you to press Win along with the alphabet B. You can see here show hidden icons. Now hit enter to display this tray menu icons, as you can see here. Now just right click on this R icon and you can just click on show rounded icons. Now just disable this dynamic mode and click on apply. You will see the full size Windows taskbar again. So These are some of the customization options that is available in this rounded TV settings. So you can try all the settings, and if you find any difficulty, then you can leave your comments below. I'll try my best to help and guide you with your problems. So here one more thing, if you want to make it run all the time when you log in your computer, then what you need to do, just move your mouse cursor back to the icon as you can see in the bottom, rounded TV, just right click on it, and now you can see our option run at startup. Just enable this, then it will start running all the time whenever you log in your Windows computer. So definitely a cool applications to change the shape of the taskbar in any Windows computer. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.